We are opening now to the healing journey, trusting the sisterhood. We feel the connectedness to our body, and we can put an intention to connect ourselves to all the sisters in the room, in the world, in your country, in your family. Wherever you want. We are just putting that intention of connectedness. We notice the breath. We notice the sensations in the body. And we notice the earth that is underneath our body. We can imagine the gravity power that allows us to sit comfortably or to lie down and to be part of a magnet that is connecting us to the earth, the place where all the sisters and brothers live together, being nourished by the same Mother Earth. So, just pay attention softly to the inhale and the exhale. Be aware of that rhythm of yours, your unique rhythm. Allow your jaw to be soft. And scan your body like a scanner. Scan your body with your inner eye to see which part of the body now is more dominant, has more energy. Is it the belly, the throat, your legs? Just pay attention. And when you notice the part of the body that have more energy, be with it. Breathe into that part. Be with it. Pay attention to it, like listen to it. The body is talking to us through sensations. I'm listening to that unique language of the body, the sensation language. And while I'm breathing to my body, I am listening to those words: sisterhood, trusting, mistrusting. I'm just listening, not doing anything, allowing the healing to happen without any effort from my side. And when you hear those words, trust or mistrust the sisterhood, ask your subconscious to open softly. Ask it with your inner voice, your inner wisdom, your inner doors to yourself. Ask the subconscious to open and to show you a woman that has to do with your journey, with that journey of trust or mistrust. It can be maybe your mother, maybe one of your biological sisters, or someone else. A woman that is significant in that journey of yours, and allow her face, her body, her energy to rise up just intuitively without really choosing her. I'm asking my subconscious to show me who is the woman that is going to help me today to heal myself around that issue of trusting the sisterhood, trusting the feminine energy, the feminine tribe, all the lineage of mothers and grandmothers. And when that image rise up, I take another breath, I look at her. I choose one that is a real one, not something that I imagine, a real woman, whether she's alive or she's dead. She's real to me. I met her in this life. And while I'm breathing into her image, her body, her energy, I am feeling myself. What kind of emotions comes up? What kind of sensations, thoughts? Do I love her? Do I feel fear from her? Did she hurt me? Did she love me unconditionally? So whether these are positive emotions or negative emotions or both, I allow that to come up. I allow that to be experienced in the body, and I breathe. I'm asking the subconscious to be more specific about that person, about that woman, to show me a specific experience, a unique one, a peak experience, positive or negative, that is meaningful for my healing journey around trusting the sisterhood. One experience, one event, a real one. I'm asking that from my belly, from my heart, from my vagina. I'm asking that from my body and letting it come up naturally without effort. I'm breathing. And when the event comes up, I allow myself to go inside that event, that experience that has to do with me and that woman, something around our relationship. Something happened there that is important. And today we are going to learn something, some insight from that, through the body, through feeling it again. So I allow myself to dive into that experience, like re-experience it. Not only look at it like a movie, but really be inside that experience as a child, as a teenager, or as an adult. Feeling my emotions there, seeing my thoughts, and feeling my body. This is the most important part in the healing journey, is feeling the body. Sometimes when we touch deep feelings, there is disconnecting from the body. And I just want to remind us, myself and you, that this connection is also a feeling. So if it's there, look at it, feel it, allow it to be. It's another color in the rainbow of feelings. We are breathing, diving into that experience, peak experience, noticing what is happening in the body. Which part of the body now is most dominant? Go there. Allow your body to lead you more deeply, more emotions, more sensations, and just be there with the body and your consciousness. So I'm diving into that experience, feeling it in the body, noticing the dominant part in the body that is working now, that has more energy. And I'm going closer and closer to myself in that experience. What was my conclusions around sisterhood or around my capability of trusting sisters or that specific woman? What did I conclude from that experience? What did I learn there? Just allow that conclusion to show herself as a sentence, like I will give one or two examples. I can trust no one. This is one conclusion that many people have because of trauma, because of events that we were hurt. Or another conclusion can be, I can only trust myself, etc. Allow the sentence to come, the conclusion to come from your own body, positive or negative, or even both. Allow it to be, feel it in the body, be there. And breathe deeply. Allow the subconscious to take you to the peak of that experience, to the moment of that event that was the most powerful moment. She said something to you, she did something to you that was powerful. Go there to the peak moment and continue to listen to your body, to your emotions, to your sensations. In that peak moment, what was my conclusion around sisterhood, around trusting, around femininity? And again, scan your body. Notice, where is my energy now in the body? Go there. Pay attention to the body. The body is holding the most deep wisdom there is, because he is created from the same materials as the earth, as Mother Earth. So the more I listen to my body, the more I listen to my wisdom and to the wisdom of life. So when you are in that peak moment of the event, allow yourself to notice emotions and sensations that maybe when that event happened, maybe you didn't have the ability and the clarity to feel all that. And now you do have. Now you have a safe space to integrate any kind of thought, feeling, emotion. Pay attention. Was there something you wanted to say to that woman that maybe you didn't say in the original event? You can say it now. Maybe you wanted to go close to her, maybe you wanted to go far from her. Allow your authentic self to express herself now in that event. And it can be even vocally. Your mic is closed, all the microphone now is closed, so you can speak and you can say what you want, or you can do any kind of gesture with the body, with your legs, with your hands, something that allow you to finish the movement, the inner movement and the physical movement that started but maybe didn't finish. You wanted to say something and you didn't say. You wanted to do something and you didn't do, and now it's possible. Now you can do it. This is how we heal trauma. We finish the movement without effort. So we take another deep breath. We rest, allowing now the integration to happen by itself. Noticing what is happening in the body and just allowing it to happen. And when we feel it's the right time for us, slowly, slowly, we allow the picture, the event, and the image of the woman to melt down, like to close. And we stay only with the feelings in the body. We stay with the energy of the healing. Just resting. And when you feel it's the right time for you, I invite you slowly to start moving your body softly. Starting to create a movement. Starting to open your eyes. And I invite you, if you want to write some notes to yourself, some intuitive writing in your notebook, like sharing with yourself insights that you want to write. It helps to integrate this kind of journey. Thank you.